guys, this is Shivani and I will be telling you how to group ungroup objects and remove their background color. In any slide, you will have a set of text, some shapes, again text, some text boxes and so on. So now if I have to shift this, my design or the flow might get distorted if I have to move it again and again like this. So what I can do is, I can select it all, go to Format, Group. So now this entire thing has become one object and I can move it around the way I want. Similarly, if I want to make any changes to any of this, let's say I want to add one more arrow here and then some other text and group it again, then I can again select it, go to Group and Ungroup. So this is how the moving of the objects around the slide is made easy. Now you all will be working with some images which may or may not have a PNG background. So the background may or may not be transparent. So I have two different kind of images here. If you can read, I am using two different functions to remove the background. So for example, here this is an image in which the background is of different shades. So here you can see some brown, here there is some dark brown and black, and here is some white. And then there is this image which has a uniform white background. So I select this image, I go to Format. Now there are two ways of making any image transparent. One is the remove background option and second is going to color and setting transparent color. Transparent color option works only when the background is uniformly colored. So for example, if I apply this function to this image, it will look like this. It doesn't work. However hard you try, it will not work because the image is of different color. And if I apply the same function to this Instagram logo, it will become transparent. And then I can use it wherever I want. So how to work on this image? Go to Format, remove background option. Now this will highlight the parts that will be visible and the parts that will be removed. So purple area is the one that will not appear in the final image. So I want the hair to be there and the clothes to be there. So I'm doing this. Some resizing of the box, and now that when you know that everything has come in the image, you are good to go. Also, if you feel that sometimes a certain part is missed out, then you can use the mark areas to keep option to cover that part, or if certain part which you do not intend to appear in the image, you can use the mark areas to remove part. So now when I click outside, the background is gone.